Hello and welcome students. Today I am here with a new chapter, new video. So today's chapter is electric current and its effects. So in this chapter, first topic is what is electric current or what is electricity. So as you can see here, electricity is the flow of electric power or charge through a conducting material, that is known as electricity. So actually charges are known as electric current, and when they flow, electricity flow, and this is known as electricity. As you can see here, electric current. When electricity moves from one place to another, it is called electric current. And there is one simple definition of electric current is flow of electrons called electric current. Charges through a conducting material, that is charge, that is known as electrons. Electrons are known as charges. When they flow, that is known as electric current. You all are aware about the electricity because you use many home appliances that run from the electricity, that run by the electricity, as a bulb, fan, mixer, juicer, and washing machine, etc. Many are the examples at home are present that run by the electricity. So electricity means flow of charges or flow of electrons is electricity. In this chapter we will learn about how any appliance work on electricity. So to understand this, we should know something. Like you can see here, symbols for electrical components. To know this, we have to see this diagram. First, we should know some terms. Like here you can see, this is cell. You must have seen this cell. And this is bulb. So, as you can see here, wire. There are two parts of wire that are connecting both the items, cell to bulb. This is bulb. So this wire is connecting bulb through here, and this is connecting to the cell through here. So here you can see, this is positive terminal of electric cell and this is negative terminal of electric cell. When they are joined together properly, then electricity flows from positive terminal to negative terminal. These arrows are showing that. So this is a simple circuit, but we cannot show all the time these two items or any switches that is used to switch on or switch off. So we use some symbols to show circuit diagram. Here you can see, these are circuit diagrams. So this diagram can be shown like as you can see here, these lines are showing about the wire, and this is bulb, and this diagram is showing about cell. These two lines about cell. This is one cell, and this is 2 points. Between these 2 points there is a wire that is showing. This is closed switch, means this is closed path. Switch is on. In this position we can say switch is in on position. That's why electricity is flowing in this path, and bulb glows. When electricity passes from positive terminal to negative terminal, bulb glows. So we can say here electricity is moving or electrons are moving. Closed switch means both the points are connecting to each other. But here you can see, this is the next diagram. This is open switch, means any appliance is not running because current is not flowing, because that is not touching this point. So electricity will not flow and bulb does not glow. So this is open switch. This is known as open switch, or we can say this is open circuit also. This is closed circuit and this is open circuit. These are two circuit diagram. So we can say electricity will not flow in open circuit and electricity flow in closed circuits. Means this is must to flow current, circuit should be closed and switch should be on. So you can see here, to show this circuit we can use these some simple symbols. Except this, we can show this circuit by these simple symbols. So now we know about the other symbols of the circuit. So this is the a table of symbols of the electric circuit. So you can see here, this is electric cell and we show this cell by this symbol. Next is electric bulb. Here you can see these are the symbols. First is for switch on position, means bulb is glowing, and second is switch is off position, means bulb is not glowing and current is not flowing. Here you can see, here is the switch is in on position and it is in off position because they are not touching each other. Here this is the diagram of battery. Actually battery is the combination of many cells. Here you can see many cells are joined together. This is known as battery. And second is wire. A simple line is showing about the wire. Number 7 is this diagram. You can see here they are crossing to each other. So this is known as wires crossing without being connected. They are crossing to each other but they are not connected to each other. Next one is wires connected together. Here is the connection of two wires. Next one is fixed resistance. This is a new word for you, but you should know resistance means restriction in the path of flowing electrons. This is known as resistance. So these are some symbols that we use to make a circuit diagram. So this is enough for this today, and we will meet in next video with the new topic. Till then, bye bye.